In the previous video we install Python. Another way to write Python program is in default Python IDLE. Just click on Start and find Python. And there is Python IDLE, or we can search it by typing IDLE then press enter. The new IDLE window is open. In this Python shell we going to write some basic programs. Now to write Python script consisting of multiple statements so you can execute all the statements together. Go to File and click on New File or press Ctrl N. Editor will open. Write all your code there. Then save your file at desktop in any new created folder. Save your file with .py extension. Because Python files are saved with .py. Then simply click on Run button or press F5 for run your code. Your code run in Python shell. You can also edit your Python file in other editors. Let's edit in Sublime Text Editor. Right-click on your file and select Open with Sublime Text. Let's add some more codes and save the file. Then open command prompt. Use change directory where Python file is saved. Then write Python and file name and click on enter. Your code is now execute in command prompt.